Hello friends of standard 7. Now we are doing page number 5 6. We have finished our exercise 1.1. Okay. Page number 5 6 पर क्या लिखा है? Properties of addition and subtraction of integers. उसमें क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी अंदर एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन बताया है. Right? Statements are given and observation they have written. 17 plus 23 if we are doing, then answer is 40. Means we are adding two integers and answer is also integer. Right? So we are written the result is an integer. Then minus 10 plus 3. 8 minus 8 plus 8 मतलब then we have to subtract and then we have to put sign of bigger number. Right? Sign of bigger number is negative. 10 minus 3 is 7. So minus 7 is also an integer. Right? Then minus 75 and plus 18. So 75 minus 18 we will do 75 minus 18. 15 minus 8 is 7. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 57. Answer is minus 57. It is also an integer. Result is an integer. Right. Same way minus 19 plus minus 25 is minus 6. Right. We sign one is positive, one is negative, so we have to subtract, right? And putting sign of bigger number is negative. Result is an integer. Result is an integer. Right? 27 minus 27 is 0. 0 is an integer. Result is an integer. Result is an integer. Right, all this you have to write in the notebook. Minus 20 plus 0. 0 is additive identity. So answer is same. And minus 20 is also an integer. Result is an integer. Result is an integer. Minus 25 minus 10. Minus plus sign of bigger number. So minus 45. Minus 45 is an integer. Result is an integer. So we can say that integers are closed under addition, right? Integers are closed under addition because if we add any two integer, result is also an integer. So we say integers are closed under addition. For any two integers a and b, a plus b is an integer. कोई भी दो integer a और b ऐड करेंगे तो a plus b integer आएगा, right? Then closure under subtraction. Statement written and observations are written. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. Right? Minus लिखा है मतलब minus करना है और sign of bigger number we have to put. So result minus 2 is an integer. Then minus plus 17 plus 21 is 38. 38 is an integer. So result is an integer. Then minus 8 minus 14 minus plus, right? So 14 minus 8 is 6 and that is also integer. Okay, minus plus minus 21 plus 10 to minus 11 and minus 11 is also an integer. Result is an integer. Result is an integer. Result is an integer. Then minus plus 32 plus 70 is what? 49. 49 is also integer. So result is an integer. Result is an integer. So here also minus plus. So minus 18 plus 18 is 0. Right? And 0 is integer. So we write result is an integer. Result is an integer. Right? Result is an integer. Minus 29 minus 0. 0 किसी में भी ऐड करो, minus करो, आंसर is same. Right? So result is an integer. Result is an integer. So we see that integers are closed under subtraction. मतलब कोई भी दो इंटीजर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, आंसर इज इंटीजर, राइट? So if a and b are two integers, then a minus b is also an integer. कोई भी दो इंटीजर्स a and b है उसको माइनस किया, सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, आंसर क्या मिला हमें? इंटीजर मिला, राइट. सो एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन आर क्लोज फॉर इंटीजर्स, राइट. ओके, integers are closed for addition and subtraction, right. So closure property holds for addition and subtraction. So this is closure property. Okay, right. Now after this we will do commutative property, right. A plus b is equal to b plus a, right. कोई भी दो नंबर कोई भी ऑर्डर में प्लस करो, 2 plus 3 करो या 3 plus 2 करो, आंसर will be same. That we will do. This you write down in your notebook. ओके, टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखना है तो लिखो, दैट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. टेक्स्ट बुक पर लिखना है कि नहीं लिखना है वो आप पर है, लेकिन नोटबुक में लिखना है. ओके, राइट डाउन. ओके फ्रेंड्स, नाउ वी आर डूइंग पेज नंबर 7 and 8. Which property? Commutative property. Okay, -8 minus 9 that is equal to what? -8 minus 9 that is equal to -17. Again we write -9 minus 8 that is equal to what? -17, right. This also you write down in your notebook. तो -8 minus 9 करो या -9 plus -8 करो, आंसर क्या है? -17. that is called what? Commutative property for addition, right. कोई भी ऑर्डर में प्लस करो, -23 plus 32 तो करना माइनस है, लेकिन साइन ऑफ बिगर नंबर. 32 minus 23 is 9. Here 32 minus plus minus is minus, so 32 minus 23 that is equal to 9, right. Then minus 45 plus 0 that is equal to what? -45. 0 किसी में भी ऐड करो सेम ही रहेगा. Here also it is also -45, right. So addition is commutative for two integers a and b, right. कोई भी दो इंटीजर्स के लिए एडिशन क्या हुआ है? कम्यूटेटिव है, राइट. एंड इन जनरल we write what? A plus b is equal to b plus a, right. This is called a commutative property. Okay, थोड़ा लिखने में थोड़ा मिक्स हो गया है, आप लोग मैं बोल रहा हूँ उसके मुताबिक. इसको नीचे लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा, यहाँ लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. ओके, वेरी गुड. अगर आपके पास स्पेस है तो एक एक लाइन में ये लिखना, राइट. अगर मैंने थोड़ी स्पेस कम रखी थी, so I have written थोड़ा सा मिक्स हो गया, राइट. सेम वे फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन, -5 और -3 करना है, तो 5 plus 3 हो गया, that is equal to 8, right. Here -3 -5 that is equal to -8, right. 8 and -8 they are not same. Same way here 2 plus 5 that is equal to 7. Here -5 -2 -7. So 7 and -7 are not same. So subtraction is not commutative for integers. In general we write a minus b not equal to b minus a, right. Then associative property. Here -5 plus -3 -2 that is what? -5, and that will be equal to what? -10. And here what? -5 -3 so -8 and -2 plus minus minus, so that is equal to -10. If we take any three integers and putting in association of 2, right. कोई भी दो नंबर को क्या एसोसिएशन रखना है? एक को बार रखना है. Here we have kept -3 and -2 associated and -5 different. Here -5 -3 associated, -2 is outside, right. So minus minus plus and sign of bigger number is negative, so -5 is -10. Here -5 -3 that is equal to plus -2, so -5 -3 is -8 and plus minus, so -8 -2 -10. So both are equal, -10 -10. So addition is associative for integers, right. इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Addition is associative for integers. In general, for any three integers a, b and c, any three integers, write down any three integers a and b, a, b and c, we can say a plus b plus c, that is equal to a plus b प्लस सी, मतलब बी प्लस सी साथ में रखो या ए प्लस बी साथ में रखो और तीसरे को बाहर रखो, आंसर इज सेम। देन एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी, राइट, मतलब ऐसा नंबर जो किसी में भी ऐड करो सेम रहेगा। -8 + 0 इज -8, 0 minus 0 plus minus 8 is -8, right? 23 plus 0 minus 23 plus 0 is -23, and 0 plus minus 37 is -37, right? 0 plus minus 59, so it is -59. Then 0 plus minus 43 is -43, right? ये अपने आप लिखना है। -61 plus 0 is -61, यहाँ पर कोई भी ऐड कर दो, नंबर 5 plus 0 is 5, right? In general, a plus 0 is equal to a and that is equal to 0 plus a. 0 आगे लिखो पीछे लिखो, आंसर तो दूसरा नंबर वही आएगा, राइट? Again I am explaining commutative property. This is on page number 7 and 8. -8 plus -9 plus minus -8 minus 9 is -17, and here plus minus -9 minus 8 is -17, right? So these are same. So it is called what? Commutative property. कोई भी दो नंबर कोई भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करो, आंसर सेम रहता है। Then here -32 plus -23 plus 32. Bigger number is 32, right? And one number is minus, so we have to subtract 32 minus 23 is 9, and here plus minus minus, so 32 minus 23 is 9, right? So commutative property holds. -45 plus 0, that is equal to 0 plus -45, both have answer -45. So in general we write a plus b equal to b plus a. So addition is commutative for two integers a and b. Same way for subtraction. Here we can write not equal to, right? These are not equal. 5 minus -3 को या -3 minus 5 लिखो, सेम नहीं होता। 5 minus -2 plus, तो 5 plus 3 8. Here -3 minus 5 is -8. Right? Then 2 minus 5, so 2 plus 5 is 7. Then -5 minus 2 is -7. So subtraction is not commutative for integers, right? Subtraction commutative नहीं है. So in general we write a minus b not equal to b minus a. Then associative property. We are taking three integers. -5 plus -3 minus 2, -3 plus -2, right? So -3 -2 have association. Here -5 -3 have association. Plus -2. So -5 -3 -2 is -5. -5 -5 is -10. Then -3 -5 -3 is -8. And plus minus. So -2. Right? -8 -2 is -10. So we say that addition is associated for integers. Right? Addition is associated for integers because answers are same. In general, for any three integers a, b and c, we say that a plus b plus c, that is equal to a plus b plus c. Then additive identity. What is additive identity? 0 is called additive identity, right? In bracket we write 0. If we add 0 to any number, answer will be that number. So -8 plus 0, that is equal to -8. 0 plus minus 8 is -8. -23 plus 0 is -23. Then 0 plus -37 is -37. 0 plus -59 to -59. 0 plus -43 to -43. Right? Then -61 plus 0, that is -61. Then 5 plus 0, that is equal to 5. Right? In general, we write a plus 0 is equal to a, that is equal to 0 plus a. So 0 is called additive identity. You have to write down this. I will check it afterwards. And after this we will do exercise 1.2. Okay, you write down.